Hi, I'm Maribel Lopez, the founder and principal analyst at Lopez Research. We all know that security can be a daunting challenge. 86% of the companies that Lopez Research interviewed said they struggle to keep up with the pace of security change. While security requires a multi-layered strategy, there are many tips and tricks to help you provide a solid, secure foundation. I'd like to spend a moment speaking about one of the overlooked areas in most company security strategies, and that's the client computing environment. The first step to designing a comprehensive security strategy is visibility and awareness. Many organizations have security gaps in their client computing fleet. So stage one is understanding what devices, apps, and services you have. Once you have a handle on what your device fleet looks like, then you have the opportunity to assess any potential gaps or needs for upgrades. The first step to designing a comprehensive security strategy is visibility and awareness. During this process, many organizations discover that they have security gaps in their client computing fleet. Once you have a handle on what your security posture looks like, there are three must-haves for securing the client computing environment. Organizations need to move beyond these software-only protections at the operating system layer and above. Firms need to invest in systems that offer attestation and a hardware root of trust. Attestation helps protect the machine by identifying if there have been any changes to the software. Meanwhile, the hardware root of trust is embedded at the deepest layers of the device, in the BIOS. Why the BIOS? Because if the BIOS is compromised, the entire system integrity is compromised. A hardware root of trust will verify the integrity of the security in the device before it boots and after it boots. The second client computing must-have is recovery and resiliency. Ideally, you'd like to prevent all PC security threats, but if a device is compromised, you want that device to have the ability to restore itself to its original state. For example, if firmware is corrupted, you'd want the machine to restore itself to the point before the malware was detected. And that leads us to our third point, upgradeability. Security threats aren't static. Therefore, you need systems that allow you to upgrade software and hardware within the field. Upgradeability allows IT and the security operations team to update devices remotely in the field, as well as respond to security threats more rapidly. With these three client computing must-haves, your organization will be able to build a solid foundation for all of its security efforts.